So Spencer and Ryan thought they could defeat me. They were fools to realize that I had stole their weapon, and they couldn't defeat me. And they were fools enough. Wow, I can't believe it. It seems that they must have destroyed the shoopdawoop factory, but they were cowards too. Go. Okay. And so they thought they were that much of a fool. But I, for one, knew that they wouldn't defeat me. So now I will be the leader of this world for once. Oh, come on, why does that keep happening? Alright. Now they will see who the fools of Dr. Octogonapus. And they were such fools. Well, I, for one, knew that they would fail. Ha ha ha.